talk to various industry, what we have found out that the ZLD systems underperform. Major reasons what we have found out is, first and foremost, is underperforming pre-treatment plants. Pre-treatment plants has to be designed for the right effluent. There are certain changes that takes place if the effluents are, depending upon what kind of effluents are, if it is coming out of chemical plants, if it is coming out of food industry, if it is coming out of pharma industry, certain treatment processes changes, certain chemicals which required to treat those effluent changes, that needs to be considered. Then the second thing is the effluent which is coming out of the plant has to be analyzed for various parameters, like what are the CODs, what is the BOD, what are the salts present into that, if oil contents are present into that, what are the cations, anions present into that. The chemicals needs to be analyzed for all these parameters. Third and foremost reason what we have seen is the inadequate heat transfer area. The design considerations for calculating heat transfer areas are not taken into account the characteristics of the effluent, not taken into account what material of constructions has to be provided. Like if the chlorides are present, if the fluorides are present, we may have to go for the higher grade MOCs like SS2205, titanium tubes, etc. So not always stainless steel grade will suffice, 316 or 304 grade will always suffice these kind of requirements. So inadequate material of construction is also one of the reasons. So when you design, if your plant is underperforming, or when you design, if you're taking a new plant, please take into considerations all these parameters which has to be given a lot importance.